Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Puma Velocity Nitro 2 running shoes. So I went for the Puma Velocities. Now these have been out for a while. This is the second generation of the Nitro version. So let's get them out of the box. I liked the bright colour, and these are seriously bright. I think the pink and the orange goes quite well. And I think they look modern. Some of the Pumas in the past have looked quite dated, not quite as up to date as the Nike and maybe Adidas. But these definitely are an improvement on the previous model. I like the Puma swish, you know, the fact that it goes from the actual top of the shoe down to the base as well. I think that looks good. So we're looking at the Sunset Glow colour here, but the shoe comes in various other colours. Which one's your favourite? Let me know in the comments below. I quite like the red and the blue, and that grey is not bad either. Now, looking at the side of it, as I said, it's quite streamlined. The contrast of the black against the bright colouring looks really good, I think. On the nose, it's got the Puma badge there, and another little reflector on the other side, so that will at night you'll be spotted by other road users. The sole, you know, it's quite chunky, but soft, and I think it's got excellent grip. It's Puma grip. Looks as though it's going to do a great job of giving your foot a lot of support. So the rear of the shoe, I like it. The black and the name is a good contrast to the brightness of the actual trainer. Now walking around, it's very comfortable. They're very nice to walk or to run in. All I would say is on the inside of the foot, a little bit plain, you know, no markings there, so, you know, a little bit plain for my liking, but, you know, I can live with that. They're a good looking shoe, I do like it. Now the laces and the tongue are black as well, and I do like that. I haven't actually been out running in them yet, just because I've just had my appendix out, but walking, certainly, as I said earlier, very comfortable indeed. Now let's remove the paper. Quite a nice touch on the end of the laces. It says run, and there's a little Puma emblem on there. The tongue itself, it's like a bit of chamois leather, very soft. I think that'd be great for the top of your foot. That'll stop any sort of blistering or any other soreness that it could cause. Now, the actual fabric of the shoe is very thin, which is the same as most running shoes these days. I think, you know, that makes them light and hopefully durable, but and give the chance for the shoe to breathe, or foot to breathe. Now on the tongue itself, there's another reflector there. It says Velocity, and there's a Puma sign, but that will definitely be a reflector. Any lights shining on that. The laces themselves are good quality, and I think once tied, they won't be coming undone while you're running, so that's important. So, I mean, to summarise, I think it's an excellent trainer, very comfortable. I think you'll get a lot of mileage out of these. I think they look modern. Certainly in this colour, they're bright, and you're not going to, you know, you're going to be noticed, definitely. Really good, solid shoe. So first impressions, I think I'll give it a thumbs up. But as I said earlier, until I get some miles under my belt, really the jury's out on whether this will last the test of time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to look out for more videos coming soon. See you next time.